Welcome to 1975 Oceanridge Circle. I'm Sally Daly from the Daly Group at Douglas Elliman. I can't wait to show you around this fabulous property. The first floor lives like a guest house, offering you absolute flexibility. Your guests have gorgeous ocean views. You've got flexible spaces for home office, or gym, or schoolroom, or nanny quarters. There's even a kitchenette where you can have a snack or a cup of coffee in the morning and not have to disturb anybody upstairs. One of my favorite rooms is to the right. One of my favorite rooms is this Bunkie Room. It's the ultimate hideaway space for your children, your grandchildren, overnight guests to hang out and have a great time together in paradise known as Vero Beach, Florida. The kitchen is the heart of the home. This house has a really big heart. Newly renovated kitchen with 2 enormous workspaces. You've got a summer kitchen with a built-in barbecue with sweeping ocean views. You've even got ocean views from the sink when you're doing the dishes. Another wonderful feature of this space in the design of it is how wonderfully it flows into the generous family room. And for you wine lovers out there, this fabulous wine cellar that holds 600 bottles may be your favorite room in the house. And an elevator to all 3 stories makes getting in and out of this house a breeze. What a dreamy master suite this is. You've got an ocean view niche. You've got your own personal ocean view terrace with sweeping views for your morning cup of coffee. It's serene, it's sensational, and it occupies most of the top floor of this sensational property. This house is full of the unexpected as well. In addition to a fantastic build caliber, there's surprises all over the place, like this secret room under the eaves of the house for your own yoga retreat, meditation studio, or however you'd like to use it. There's fabulous storage throughout this fabulous house, including bespoke closets on either side with tons of storage, leading to this spa-like master bath. Truly, it's a retreat you may never want to leave. So that's 1975 Oceanridge. I hope you love it. For more information, floor plan, build specs, and more photos, visit 1975oceanridge.com. It would be my pleasure to give you a personal tour of this fabulous home.